This I call Televisual Telepresent Portal Mirror-World Topology and Telephysical Replicator Mirror-World Topology. First, to get to know the topology of the televisual telepresent world, our world is both physical and visual. We have light and matter. That's the real world. From the real world to the virtual world cloaking interface. Invisibility and holodecks are inversely related. But to get to the holodeck, you have to have a cloaking interface on a televisual portal. And that's what these two portals, these two cross-section of portals are. The cloaking interface. It takes in the real world and turns it into a purely virtual light world, devoid of matter, or else it would ruin the effect. Then, from the real world to the virtual world cloaking interface, down to, or from the virtual cloaking interface to the real holodeck, which is the real holodeck for, I guess that would be Bob and that would be Alice. And then from the virtual cloaking interface to the real holodeck, from the real holodeck to from the virtual cloaking interface to the real holodeck, these are the real, this is the real holodeck right here in blue, and that's the real Bob. This is the real holodeck for Alice in blue, and from the real holodeck to the virtual holodeck, it can only take light information in the yellow with the orange colored Bob in reverse. That's his virtual holodeck. And right here in Alice's, her orange color, that's her virtual body reversed. And then there's transmitters that transmit them to receivers from the real holodeck to the virtual holodeck. And then from your virtual holodeck to another portal's real holodeck. Or from your virtual holodeck to another portal's real holodeck. And then it continues back again. Your virtual self would be in her holodeck, and it would travel back through the transmitter to your real holodeck and overlap your body. Your virtual self will overlap your material body. And this televisual portal Mirror-World Topology would have to be interlaced with a Telephysical Replicator Mirror-World Topology. And I'll include the link to the Mirror-World Topology that I talked about in a previous video. But here, connecting the physical to the virtual begins the bridging of cosmic portals to other realities. And this is what's required of both the televisual portal and its telephysical replicator mirror-world topology counterpart. These atomic-sized pins that reach in an inverse square relationship to a single atom to replicate it from a single point outward, to scan in into a single point and replicate to a single point outward. A distant environment, say Bob's at Alice's beach. That's the beach in the background. That's his virtual self overlapping his real self. And this is the process down here at the bottom of scanning in with these fine atomic-sized needles in a center point replicator, and then replicating outwards, producing every single atom within this, reproducing space. So that's what's needed to interlace Telephysical, Replicator, Mirror-World Topology to the Televisual Portal, Telepresent, Mirror-World Topology. Thanks a lot.